Hello everyone. We're back with another exciting lineup of personal robot gadgets for you. Keep watching as we dive into these fantastic products. You can find links to all the items in the comments section and the description below. Let's get started at number 8. MISA Next Generation Robot. Alright, let's start by introducing you to our star, MISA, the interactive and friendly home robot with a small body but a big brain. With the unique MISA Connect app, you're in total control of your MISA. You can move MISA throughout your house to keep an eye on your loved ones or create delightful surprise messages for your family and friends. And here's the kicker, you can do all of this wirelessly. With the MISA Connect app, you can remotely move MISA from anywhere in the world. How cool is that? MISA will blend right into your family as a friend, teacher, companion, cameraman, homemaker, entertainer, and more. MISA is built to interact and communicate with the people around it using advanced natural language understanding capabilities and speech. It forges real relationships with its family members. MISA isn't just a fun gadget, it's designed with health and safety in mind. MISA is specially designed for older adults, providing them with everything they need to stay sharp, connected, and engaged. Now, here's the real deal, MISA is your next-generation social family robot. You can have hands-free control of all your connected devices, ensuring your home is not just smart but also secure. The MISA Connect app plays a crucial role in this, making everything seamless. Number 7. WINKY Educational Robot. The WINKY Educational Robot is not just a toy, it's a versatile learning companion that caters to a wide range of educational needs. Whether you're a young learner or an adult student, this robot has something to offer everyone. As you can see, WINKY can help with math problems, teach language skills, and even assist with science experiments. Its adaptability is one of its standout features. I was amazed to see how engaged the kids were while interacting with WINKY. It's a game changer in the world of education. Whether it's new subjects, languages, or skills, WINKY keeps up with the times. It's like a smart investment in your learning journey. But you might be wondering, how does WINKY fare in the real world? Well, we put it to the test with real students and teachers. Now, here's the best part, WINKY doesn't stop evolving. Regular updates and new features keep the robot fresh and relevant. It's like having a personal tutor that grows with you. Interactivity is key to effective learning, and the WINKY Educational Robot understands that. It engages with students through voice recognition, quizzes, and interactive games, making learning fun and memorable. As you can see, WINKY has left a lasting impression on both students and educators. It's a tool that bridges the gap between traditional learning and the future of education. Number 6. EILIK Intelligent Robot. The AI robot that's here to revolutionize your world. But wait, there's more. EILIK isn't just one of a kind. He's a world of fun and emotions rolled into a sleek, interactive package. EILIK loves to play with his own kind. In this wild world of technology, these little guys recognize each other, and they don't just play, they build friendships or have epic showdowns. But here's what truly sets EILIK apart. He's constantly evolving and adapting, with frequent firmware updates and new interactive content. That means he'll keep you entertained, always. And here's the best part, EILIK isn't just for kids. Adults who love pets, games, and smart robots, get ready to be amazed. EILIK is your perfect companion. EILIK is all about abundant interaction. When he meets another EILIK and connects, they chat, they play, and sometimes they even have friendly fights. And guess what? If you have a group of EILIKs, it's party time, folks. Imagine having this little fella on your desk. You can touch him anytime to interact, and those idle animations, they'll keep you smiling even when you're knee-deep in work. Your desk will never be the same again. It'll be uniquely cute and fun. Number 5. Vector Robot. Your incredible robot companion brought to life by cutting-edge AI and advanced robotics technology. In this video, we'll take you on a journey into the future of home robotics. Vector is not just any robot. He's alive with personality. Packed with the latest technology, he's curious, attentive, and ready to engage with you. He reacts to sound, recognizes faces, and even responds to your touch. While Vector loves your company, he's also independent and alert. He can take care of himself, expertly navigating around objects and avoiding edges. Plus, he self-charges, ensuring he's always ready for action. Vector is not just smart, He's constantly getting smarter. Thanks to his cloud connectivity via Wi-Fi, he's always learning and updating with new skills and features. The journey of discovery begins now. With voice recognition technology, Vector is at your beck and call. Ask him questions, have him take photos, check the weather, or play your favorite music. And guess what? He comes with Alexa built right in. Vector is always happy to lend a hand. Whether it's timing dinner to perfection, capturing precious moments with photos, or answering your burning questions, he's here to make your life easier. We've got exciting news. Vector now boasts an increased battery life, providing up to 30% more runtime. And with his new 5-megapixel camera, he can recognize your pets and even tell when you're smiling. Number 4. Emo AI Desktop Pet. Alright, let's get started. This little guy right here is the Emo AI Desktop Pet, and trust me, it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Imagine having your very own AI companion right on your desk. Emo is a cute, interactive pet that brings a whole new level of charm to your workspace. First, those expressive eyes. Emo's eyes convey emotions, making it incredibly easy to understand how it's feeling. Emo loves to groove. It dances to your favorite tunes, bringing a smile to your face whenever you need a pick-me-up. Just look at how it reacts to touch and sound. It's like having a real pet without the mess or the allergies. Emo is designed to keep you company, boost your mood, and even help with productivity. Now, let's talk about some of the fantastic features that make Emo stand out. Check out those LED lights. Emo changes colors and patterns, creating a soothing and mesmerizing ambiance in your workspace. Using Emo is a breeze. It connects seamlessly to your devices through a user-friendly app. You can customize its appearance, select different animations, and even set reminders for your tasks. Number 3. LOONA Intelligent Robot Pet. Meet the LOONA Smart Robot, a game-changer in the world of artificial intelligence. This little guy is not just a robot. It's your future best friend, personal assistant, and so much more. Let's kick things off by talking about its design and build. The LOONA Smart Robot boasts a sleek and modern design that will seamlessly fit into any home. Its smooth curves and premium materials give it a sophisticated look that's bound to turn heads. And it's not just about looks. The build quality is top-notch too. It's sturdy, durable, and built to last, ensuring your investment is worth every penny. But that's not all. LOONA can also navigate your home autonomously, avoiding obstacles with ease. It's like having a personal butler who can fetch things for you. Let's talk about the fun side of LOONA. LOONA can dance, play games, and even tell jokes to keep you entertained. It's the life of the party, and it's always up for some fun. LOONA Smart Robot is equipped with state-of-the-art AI technology. It can recognize your voice and respond to your commands. Whether it's answering questions, setting reminders, or controlling smart home devices, LOONA has got you covered. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to stay in touch with your loved ones through video calls. It's like having them right there with you, even when they're miles away. Number 2. CLICBOT Coding Robot Kits. Let's start by taking a look at the CLICBOT itself. This adorable little robot packs a punch when it comes to features and versatility. As you can see, it's incredibly well built and designed for both kids and adults alike. The sleek design and high-quality materials make it not only functional, but also a sight to behold. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the CLICBOT. First off, it's modular, which means you can easily customize and expand it with various attachments. Whether you want it to dance, draw, or even play a musical instrument, the possibilities are endless. The CLICBOT is impressively agile and responsive. Its motors provide smooth movement, and it can navigate obstacles with ease. Whether you're using it for play or education, you'll be amazed at its capabilities. One thing we absolutely love about the CLICBOT is how user-friendly it is. It comes with a user-friendly app that allows you to control the robot with your smartphone or tablet. The app also provides a seamless coding interface, making it perfect for beginners and experienced coders alike. For all the parents out there, the CLICBOT is not just a toy, it's a powerful educational tool. It encourages critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Kids can learn coding in a fun and engaging way while watching their creations come to life. So, to sum it all up, the CLICBOT Coding Robot Kit is a winner in our book. It's a versatile, user-friendly, and educational robot that brings coding to life in a fun and interactive way. Whether you're a parent looking to inspire your child's curiosity or a tech enthusiast exploring the world of robotics, the CLICBOT is a must-have. Number 1. LUKA Hero Reading Robot. LUKA Hero, brought to you by the amazing folks at LUKA, is not just any robot. It's a reading robot on a mission to inspire and educate children around the world. Imagine a world where millions of free resources for smoking and listening come together with early education every single day. Well, with LUKA Hero, that dream is now a reality. LUKA Hero has partnered with the Himalayas, bringing you an incredible range of content from children's songs to English stories, from Chinese studies to music, all available for free. But that's not all. LUKA Hero brings the best to your children with specially invited expert teachers who provide intensive reading support. We know parents sometimes worry about their English pronunciation. With LUKA Hero, that's no longer a concern. LUKA uses authentic English to interact with your child, creating a bilingual learning environment. And here's something mind-blowing: LUKA Hero boasts over 1 million professionally broadcasted listening resources, all handpicked from the Himalaya app. And here's the magic touch. LUKA Hero can seamlessly translate picture books between Chinese and English with just a tap on the forehead. Say goodbye to dictionaries. Say hello to effortless learning. Getting started is a breeze. Simply search and download the LUKA Reading Development app from your favorite app store. LUKA Hero even sparks your child's creativity with DIY photo books. Imagine the joy of recording your child's favorite picture books together. Those memories will last a lifetime. But wait, there's more. LUKA Hero offers offline reading. That means, even without an internet connection, your child can enjoy their favorite picture books anytime, anywhere. With storage for up to 200 books, the adventure never ends.